So now I'll show you how to import here. The most easiest way is just double click in this area and your browser will pop up, and as you can see in my folder already I have something called source footage. In that I have this video file which I have shot, so I'm opening that. Yeah, when it gets imported, immediately you'll see a small progress bar here, which is very important. If your file is extremely huge, it's going to sample the entire file, so you need to wait till that is done. Now it's so fast and it's gone, so you didn't really observe that. But if you're exporting like around 50 files and 10 files, you can't just start dragging them into your timeline and start editing it. You have to really wait till this entire thing happens. That's very important. So importing is as simple as just double clicking and selecting a file, and here again you can organize your files by creating folders and dragging these files into that folder and all this stuff, which is really not required if you want to just come here and edit a video.